Number 13 on page 242 asks us to solve the inequality graphically. We're looking at x cubed minus x squared minus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. So if you just take the function, that would make f of x equal to x to the third minus x squared minus 2x. So what we want to do first is find the zeros on the graph. And then after we do that, we're going to look for the sections that are positive. So I went ahead and put this on the graphing calculator, and we can see that we have zeros at -1, 0, and 2. So I'll write that down. So the zeros are at -1, 0, and 2. So if I mark those on the graph, -1, 0, and 2. So the next thing we want to do is look at the sections of the graph that are positive. And you can see it is positive in two sections, between -1 and 0, and then from 2 to infinity. So those are going to be our solution sets. And this time we want to include the zeros, so we are going to have closed brackets. So our solution set will be -1 to 0, union 2 to infinity. So we can go ahead and draw this. And when we draw it, we could have done it without the graphing calculator, because our end behavior would tell us that it starts down at this end and it's going to finish up here. We have those 3 zeros, so it's going to come across the first one, turn around, go down, turn around, and come back up like that. So that would be our graph, which you can also see on the graphing calculator.